Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. First, turn your Highlander's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, make sure your odometer or trip meter is visible on the dashboard display. You might need to press the trip reset button to cycle through the display modes until you see it. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance reset function. Now turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip reset button. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the trip reset button. You will see the maintenance light flash a few times and then it should disappear, indicating a successful reset. Release the button once the light is off. After the light disappears, start your Toyota Highlander's engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If the light comes back on or never went off, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Remember, consistent vehicle maintenance is key to keeping your Highlander running smoothly and avoiding these warning lights in the first place. This straightforward reset procedure is effective for many Toyota Highlander models, helping you quickly clear that maintenance reminder. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions, as slight variations can occur. Keeping up with your Highlander's service schedule is vital for its longevity and performance. Also, if you want your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.